Hey friends, I hope you're all having a great day. I'm LlamaMamaKayla, and I appreciate you stopping by for a visit today. So it's Vlogtober, and this Vlogtober I'm working on a spider blanket along with some other crochet and YouTube friends. And each day we're working on our spider blanket and sharing it with you guys. Now I have a link in the description below of all the creators that I know of who are making the blanket. Now some other people have told me they're making the blanket also, and I hope they send in photos for us to share in our videos of their blankets. I did receive a photo from Emily, and so I will pop in a photo of Emily's blanket. And I appreciate her sending in that photo. It's looking really cute. And maybe she'll send in a photo as hers progresses, and then I can pop in a video. Pop her photo into a video. So anyway, we're all enjoying working on our blanket, and I hope you're enjoying watching our blankets grow. So I'll just show you my blanket. I'm loving it. I love this blanket. I love how it's turning out, and it's growing really fast. So here's my blanket. Here it is from the center out, and it's just growing really great. Yesterday, I had some hand trouble yesterday morning, and I took pain medicine and laid back down and wrapped my hand in the heating pad, and when I woke up my hand did feel much better, so I was able to crochet late last night, and I added this lime green in there. I don't know if you can really tell that it looks muted on the screen, but it's really lime green. And so that lime green covered 3 sides. It didn't cover this side, but it covered 3 sides. And then I changed to this kind of a mulberry look. It's not red, it's not purple, I don't know, it's kind of a mulberry looking color. It's a color that was in one of those cakes that I took apart, and so I added that in, and it was a large ball. It actually covered 4 sides of the blanket, and it ended right there. I mean, it was just like perfect. I don't know. But it just knew to end. And so, yeah, it's growing really fast. My son Dakota came over last night, and he really liked it. He said it was cute. He liked the idea. And I showed him everybody else's last video. I just kind of sped to the part and showed them how their blanket looked, and he always indulges me in those kind of things and plays along like he's really interested. He does. He's artsy and crafty, so he likes things like that anyway. And then I told him about my squares, and that I was adding to these squares, and that I had finally decided that I was probably going to make another pillowcase, and he thought that was a good idea too. So I only finished one for yesterday because I started on this really late, and he was here for a long time and visiting. He stayed till like midnight last night visiting and hanging out with us. So this is the blue that I finished, and it's kind of a teal. It's a really deep teal color. It's so pretty. It's a pretty color, and it'll look great in the mix of all these colors. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 finished so far. I love that. I love all the bright colors. I had started on this pink, but that's as far as I got. So I'll finish that up today and hopefully get another one done. You see my lovely yarn bowl? This had like some candy corn harvest in it. It came from Dollar General. The lid I know has $2 on it. So this had emptied out, and I just picked it up and started using it for a yarn bowl because that's what I needed. And so I have my little needle in here, and on my desk I have my little snippers to cut with, And then I have that needle so I can weave in my ends immediately and not have to do with that later. So today I hope to add more yarn to my blanket. And here's my yarn balls right here that I'm choosing from. So this color was kind of darkish, so I want to use a lighter color as not to let it get, you know, like too dark or anything. I don't know, I might just add in white, who knows, and another color. So we'll see how that goes. Alright guys, I'm going to pop in a photo of Emily's blanket right here. And also, let's check and see what Mr. and Miss Bones is up to today. Hey guys, for my doll of the week, I chose Miss Magnolia. So if you didn't know, it's Magnolia's birthday. This morning I uploaded a video of Magnolia's birthday party. So if you don't mind, check that video out. Magnolia and her friends had a lot of fun, and it turned out to be a cute little video. It's entertainment, so check that out and see if it puts a smile on your face. So Magnolia here is a rather large doll. She is 28 inches tall. Her legs are kind of bent, so but if she wasn't sitting down and standing up, she'd be 28 inches. She is she's so cute. She's happy all the time. She wears a size at least 18 months to 2 toddler. 18 months is really tight on her through the chest and stomach area, so sometimes she has to go up to like 2T or 24 months, but she don't mind that, do you, Magnolia? She has great hair. I like to brush her hair, and headbands kind of work best on her head, so she has this one on left over from her party earlier. She loved her headband. And Magnolia is, she has full arms. That means her arms go all the way up to her shoulders, and full legs. Now she wears about a size 3, a toddler size 3 shoe. She can wear like a 2 in some sandals, and then a 3 in like closed up shoes. She can wear a 3. So she has on her gold sandals, and she's just sitting here looking all happy. But her birthday video turned out really cute. There's a few surprises in there, so let me know what you think. Big Daddy helped me pull off her video. We took a little field trip in there and did a little something kind of fun. And then we brought that video together last night. My son Dakota helped me get all the final touches on it and got it uploaded for y'all this morning. Uploading has taken a long time here at my house. I don't know why. Lately, sometimes, you know, videos just will upload, and sometimes they drag out and take forever. But, well, I just wanted to introduce y'all to Magnolia. She is one of my favorites. I hate to say I have a favorite, but she is one of my favorites. She's fun to work with, to take pictures of, and to pose and things like that. So it was fun taking video of her. Sometimes you want to photo and pose and play with a smaller doll, like a baby, and sometimes a toddler is fun. So all my dolls have a place, you know. Alright, Magnolia, you want to tell them bye? Bye, guys. We will see you all again tomorrow. Well, I will. Magnolia won't. Because Magnolia has to go back to the nursery and take care of everyone in there, right, Magnolia? Thank you, friends. I appreciate y'all watching and playing along with my antics.